very brightest morning to all. This is Anaya from First C to lead you all through today's morning assembly on the topic Spread Love Not Germs. Wash your hands. As you all know, every event begins with the prayer. It takes away the negative thoughts from our mind. So join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer.
So wonderful, God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love.
Good morning, everyone. Today's news headlines are: Panch Iyer attracts record bids for Act Mega Auction. Viksit Bharat Dialogue to be held in January. 3 killed in clashes over survey of UP mosque. Education Secretary asks Himachal schools to start public libraries. Noida schools to continue with online classes. Now some sports news. Kohli Yashasvi century. Pacers wear down Australia as India win in Perth Test. Cities unbeaten run at home. And thank you. Today's thought: clean home, happy home. Keep it green, keep it clean. Don't be the little bug. Show some love. Hygienic is a practice, not a project. Good morning, all of you. I must be all neat and clean and tidy. I must not be seen from morning until I go to bed. I try to be clean from top to head. I brush my teeth, I rinse my mouth and gargles too very loud. To keep clean, I blow my nose and even clean between toes. I wash my hand and without fail. Once a week I trim my nails. I bath and comb my hair and let it play in fresh air. This is how I stay clean because cleanliness is a part of my DNA. Thank you. Good morning all. Good morning everyone. Today I am going to talk about something very important. Spread love, not germs. When we share love, we make each other happy. We can spread love by smiling, being kind, sharing our toys and saying nice words. But we don't want to spread germs, right? Germs are tiny, invisible bugs that can make us sick. To spread love, not germs, we can wash our hands with soap, especially before we cover our mouths when we cough or sneeze. Keep some distance with someone else not feeling well. By doing these things, we can keep each other healthy and happy. So let's remember, spread love, keep germs, and stay healthy together. Thank you.